Within the Designs panel, you can create, modify, and delete Starship designs. These are used in your colonies for building starships according to your specifications. You can either choose an existing design to base the new one from, or create one from scratch through the corresponding button. But first, you need to select the class of starship, which will determine its role. Once you do this, an overlay of the class will show up in the center of the screen, plus an extra subpanel on the right for selecting the weapon, core, and support modules. You will also have a summary of the ship stats shown on the left section. Weapons can be placed by clicking on the ship's mounts, which will open a panel listing all available weapons with a compatible grade, as each weapon does not fit in every mount grade. Mounts have 5 grades: micro, light, main, heavy, and massive. The larger the mount point is, the slower the weapon will track its target and the smaller of a field of fire it will have. Plus, only micro-grade weapon mounts are available to target strike craft. You can also install core modules, which are engines, hull, armor, and shields. These last 3 types of defenses are optional. However, starships do require to have engines to be built. Hulls are rare, but they do provide 360 degrees defense, while armor and shields do not. Armor adds weight to the ship, slowing it down in combat. Shields do not have this drawback, but they do consume high levels of power and will collapse and reset when they suffer enough damage. Next, we have support modules, which provide power, charge, ordnance, etc. to your ships. These are required for your other modules to function. Power is used by all modules. Charge by beam and particle weapons, and ordnance by mass and missile weapons. Some other special modules, such as nuclear bombs, are available in this category as well. Finally, we must assign a name and a combat tactic to the design. There are 4 possible tactics: engage, assault, harass, and disengage. With engage, the ship will statically focus fire at the target from its weapon's optimum range. A ship with assault will move full speed towards its target, attempting to avoid other ships' fire. In contrast, a starship with a harass tactic will circle the enemy from the maximum range of its weapons. Finally, the disengage tactic, often used for civilian ships like constructors and colonizers, will force the ship to retreat the second they encounter the enemy.